Welcome. Today we are making the fastest breakfast, healthy and fast. Now all we need is cabbage, carrot, green pepper, ginger garlic paste, onions, breadcrumbs and 6 eggs. Some salt and the spices of your choice. Let's start. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We are glad to have you here. The subscribers, please welcome. Thanks for hanging out. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's really important to us. Please, let's work together. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We are on our way to that. Let's move together. Thank you. Put the salt and the mixed spices. The eggs. Now the breadcrumbs. You mix well. Now let's start frying. So my oil is already hot because I'm frying some other snacks. Now let's start. You spread it around in the oil. Now you cook on low heat so that you make sure the inside is cooked. Don't hurry up and put on high heat and then it doesn't cook, it only burns. So you cook on low heat so that it cooks inside. Now the vegetables are cooked well, they still have that crunch inside, and that's what we want.